Hey, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 2022 Tacoma. So it's a double cab. It's a long bed, as you can see. It has a set of our long bed sliders on it. They fit pretty nice, all the way front to back on them. They are direct bolt-on. The only people ask me, do they have to be drilled at all? And I say the only drill spot is the rear location. The frame where they overlay the frame on it is only drilled halfway, and so this rear hole back here needs to be drilled the rest of the way through. So that's the only spot that needs to be drilled. The rest of it obviously bolts directly up on this truck. Another thing I'd like to share with you is that this truck is featuring our Westcott Designs lift kit front and rear. So it's 3 in the front and 1 in the back on this truck. It's got the tires in the back, so it's probably pulling down about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. But this has our full kit in it, front and rear. Has the top shim and then has a lower collar on it. So we wanted to share. We thought this would be a great truck to show, just with the standard suspension on it, with our lift kit and a set of rock sliders that we just finished up. People are going to ask me, what tires are those? They're Generals. They're 285/70/17s. They have the red letter on the backside. The customer chose to have them on the backside, but they are there if somebody did want the red letters out. They're pretty cool looking tires. So first set that we've actually installed on a truck, customer's request. So hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks so much.